Welcome to Bali. Oh, Finlandia. Very cute. See? Welcome to Bali. Beautiful smile. Wow, so easy for you. My wife, number 3. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Give me 5. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Legian Bali on Melasti Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, hi today. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the session at the moment in Legian Bali on Melasti Street. And our day today start from west area, exactly at the front Legian Beach Hotel as usually, and I will start walking from here until to the east part on Melasti Street. Let me show you around here. This is Legian Beach Hotel. Yeah, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists today on Melasti Street. Now I will cross the street first to my video at other side. Yeah, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists today on Melasti Street. Wow. Wow, busy, busy, busy. That's good. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from? Did I might?
Well,
Where do you come from, brother? Huh?
Century Point.
Where's that?
It's a beautiful place like Bali.
Central Point.
There's not so much traffic. Right?
But today, yeah.
Yeah.
New South Wales, yeah?
Century
Sydney.
Point. Century Point.
I get a lot of customer from Sydney and Kuma. You know Kuma? Yeah, I got a customer stay there.
Yeah, a lot of people, they go to Bali.
And South Wollongong, Aladala.
Yeah,
Yeah, they do surfing in Bali.
Century Point.
Yeah,
45 minutes from Alamala.
really
Yeah.
beautiful ocean over there. I saw the full. Yeah,
Today it was beautiful down there.
no, really.
It was a bit windy.
Yeah.
There was a good combination of people down there today.
Oh, I see.
The businesses
Uh-huh.
were very friendly. As
Yeah.
they always are. But when you come to Bali, you enjoy it.
Oh, true. That's true.
Whether it's windy or not.
Hey, you first time come to Bali?
No,
Oh, many time before.
I was there last year.
Easy for you, brother.
Wedding last year for my
Uh-huh.
mother-in-law.
Really?
Yeah. This year, wedding. Married in Bogle in Jakarta.
Oh, wow. So you come to Bali for wedding?
So I'll fly out to Jakarta tomorrow.
That's good.
So we'll be back. We'll be
Okay,
back.
brother. Enjoy your holiday in Bali.
Oh, maybe I might buy a dress later.
Oh, wow. Yeah, shopping. Okay, yeah. Enjoy your holiday. Yeah. Hello. Wah. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Wow. They come from near Aladala and been here last year. It's good for wedding. I'm sorry if the camera is not really good. It's quite dark. Wow, busy. Rame Mbak? Quite busy, that's good. Hello! Welcome to Bali, lady. Where do you come from? Wow, my dream country. Last time when I'm young, I was thinking to marry an Australian. But I was going to say, are you so short? Need taller. Yeah, so that's why I exercise now to get taller. Have a good day, yeah? Enjoy your holiday. Wow. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Melasti Street. This is Legian Art Market. I think I need zoom to make like closer. Uncle Gnome. Wow, this is the Uncle Gnome. Hello. Excuse me, sorry. Halo. Bagus. Bagus, bagus. Selamat datang di Bali. You stay in Bali? You speak bahasa, good. Thank you ya. Oh, sedikit cukup but more better. Pelan-pelan, bagus. Wah, he speak Indonesia, that's good. He speak bahasa. What he said already, stay at Central Point or what? Near Aladala. But I know I have a customer from Aladala and they showed me how the beautiful beach over there. And that was really beautiful beach at south of Australia. Hello, brother.
Hello, brother.
Welcome to Bali, brother.
Thank you, thank you.
Where do you come from?
Finland.
Where's that?
Finland. It's belong to Sweden.
Oh, Finlandia.
Yeah, in that
We,
Finland.
we call Finlandia in Indonesia.
Okay.
Near Amsterdam, yeah?
Sorry?
Near Amsterdam,
Amsterdam.
Belgium, Amsterdam.
Of course we know.
Yeah. I have good friend from Amsterdam.
Okay.
Very good friend.
Okay.
His name Beck Van Eden.
Okay.
First time come to Bali?
Yeah, first.
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you.
Enjoy your holiday. How long you been Bali already?
First,
How long you been Bali already?
1 week.
1 week.
Friday we leave.
Oh, so sad. Stay longer.
We can, we have to go work.
Yeah. Have a good day, yeah?
Yeah.
I just make YouTube for update session in Bali
Okay.
every day. Thank
And
you.
remember, like and subscribe.
Thank you, brother. Have a good day. Yeah. Wow, they come from Finlandia, quite far away. Finlandia. Hello. Wow, quite busy, isn't it?
No, the gold.
Oh,
Across the street, also a lot of trees over there. Did you see? Yes, good. Rough store. Good for shopping. You have to come and shopping over there. Also, across the street, this is another rough store. They will give you deal price. Wow, some loud music behind me. Big party on the truck, on the bus. Wow. Wow, loud music, heavy music over there. Hey, welcome to Bali. Wow. Hey, welcome to Bali. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Hello. Looks so pretty.
Yeah, like mine.
And then you're
said you got the hole.
You see Cross Street? Also over Beatrice over there. Looks so busy, Mr. Dev. Ah, wow. Hello, boss. Hello, boss. Good. Very cute. See? Hello, boss. Mr. Security. Mesen berarti bukan bajunya. Mesen gitu. Wah. Uh, halo. Telepon? Magani. Ah. Clean will stay here. My grandma friend. And across the street there is Legian Golden Square. Yeah, this is Legian Golden Square. Yeah, I guess so sorry if the quality of camera is not really good because now it's quite dark because sunset will coming down very soon. But I hope this video will give you information about update session in the moon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My second wife, third wife, fourth wife, sick number 7. All beautiful. Maureen Spa, you can come just on Melasti Street. Remember, they will give you good deal price. Also have male therapists. So don't worry, he's very strong to do massage. That's good. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Melasti Street. Hello, welcome to Bali. Beautiful smile. Wow, that's good. Sorry, Pak. Sorry, Mbak. Across the street, there is also a recommended restaurant, Freya Resto, and I'll read my video over there. Hello. Welcome. I'm good. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from? Easy to fly to Bali for you, but not for us. But not for us. Because expensive. It's first time come to Bali?
No, I've been lots of times.
Really?
Yeah, I was here in January.
Huh?
I was here in January.
Since January until now.
No.
I mean, you've been here last January.
Last time I was in January, now I'm back.
Wow, so easy for you.
Like Eddie, are you?
Sorry, say again?
What's your name?
My YouTube is Bali Travel Vlog
Ah,
because we have similar vlog about updates session in Bali.
yeah. Very good.
Have a good day, yeah?
Yeah, I will.
How long are you gonna be here for?
Since Saturday.
And back to Australia.
Yeah, on Sunday.
How come it's so easy to fly to Bali for you? Not for us.
No, that's the government's not very nice.
True. And our money also
Sorry,
very
our
small.
government's not very nice to us either.
Everywhere.
Too much tax.
Everywhere. Yeah, you pay tax more?
Way more.
Why more? It's crazy now. Even Singapore, in Singapore, everything tax fine. And tax.
Singapore is very expensive.
Yeah, I got a customer from there actually.
Yeah, Singapore is very expensive.
Yeah, I know that. Okay, yeah. Enjoy your holiday and yeah, enjoy your holiday in Bali.
You have fun.
Have a good day.
See you now.
See you. Wow. She come to Bali in January and back to Bali again. Wow, so easy for her. For her. Hello. Welcome to Bali, brother. Enjoy your holiday. My wife, number 3. Welcome to Bali.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's like nice restaurant. Look very romantic inside. That's good. Across the street, also a few trees over there. They're just really good, isn't it? Yeah, some loud music beside me. So I have to talk louder than the music. That's the music from the restaurant upstairs. Wow, so strong the music. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Melasti Street until the end. As I told you, I will make video until the end on Melasti Street today. Hello. Wow, that's good. That's good. But quiet now in this area. Usually in this area, because like in between Legian and Melasti, usually I was busy. But now just quiet. Maybe they go to the beach in sunset because the weather just so beautiful for sunset today. Okay guys, so this is our day today in Legian Bali on Melasti Street. So what do you think? Not really busy, isn't it? Really sad. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the destination at the moment in Legian Bali on Melasti Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woohoo. I'm really busy. Really sad. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Give me five. Woohoo. Woohoo.